Hello, homesteaders. I'd like to talk to you about your finances. Your success at developing your homestead will depend in part on your ability to manage your finances. God really cares about your finances, and the Bible has all kinds of information that'll be very helpful to you. I've put a bunch of ideas down on a new presentation that's available on our website. So I'd like to have you take a look at it. If you have any questions, please let us know. We don't do this for money. This is not about us. It's about your finances and your family and your ability to build something that will last and last. I wish you well. Keep your eyes on the sky and your hands in the dirt. He's coming back soon.
We're all in a master plan, though the things we do are just grains of sand. When these things are touched by the master's hand, then our lives turn into mountains.